the same. Because I don't wanna crazy happy girl. After some time, I finally made up my mind. She is the girl, and I really need to make her mine. I'm searching everywhere to find her again. Oh, oh, oh. To tell her I love her, and I'm sorry about the things I've done. Oh, when I'm standing in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't search, she'll
Reinvention is an act of determination to go where you couldn't before. The all-new Pilot Trail Sport, part of the Honda line of rugged vehicles.
One thing in my life that still brings Oh, thinking about all the young years, there was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down the road before, but this is over now. You keep me coming back for more. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need. And I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Oh, once in your life, you trust someone who will turn your world around, bring you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing could change what you mean to me. Oh, there's lots that I could say, but just hold me now, 'cause I love we like the way. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need. And I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. I've been waiting for so long for something to arrive, for love to come along. Now our dreams are coming true, through the good times and the bad. Oh, I'll be standing there by you. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Yeah, and love is all that I need. And I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Oh, we're in heaven.
Are you sick of having issues with your webinars, wasting tons of time on troubleshooting with attendees? If so, you need StreamYard On Air. Hey, it's Dana from StreamYard. I'm so excited to announce the launch of StreamYard On Air. StreamYard On Air is a live webinar platform. You can host a webinar, an event, or
same old thing since 1916. In your head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are dying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie.
I've been getting paid $1,000 a month, if not more, just from this app on my phone. And I don't know if you can see this, but it's called Audible. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right here. I have a check from Audible. This is for $1,100. This one's for $1,100 again, and then this one is $1,000.
one I kiss goodnight. Still the one. Still the one I want to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one, you're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. So glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
Wow, Apple. Best Picture.
So amazing, right?
Yeah. I was in 2 Best Picture nominees last year.
Yeah, no, I knew that. You were great.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
Jennifer Lawrence. Selena Gomez documentary.
Digi Jumper Remix.
Turn me loose from your hand. Let me fly distant land over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forest fountains. Hope along the lanes of the skyway for this dark and lonely blue projects a shadow casting gloom, and my eyes are mirrors of the world outside, thinking of the ways that the wind can turn the tide. And these shadows turn from purple into gray, for just this skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind.
Digi Jumper Remix.
Let me wake up in the morning to the smell of new mown hay, to laugh and cry, to live and die in the brightness of my day. I wanna hear the pealing bells of distant churches sing, but most of all, please free me from this aching metal ring, and open out this cage towards the sun. For just this skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon fly toward the dreams he left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon fly towards the dreams he left so very far behind.
Digi Jumper Remix.
If God had a name, what would it be, and would you call it to his face? If you were faced with him and all his glory, what would you ask if you had just one question? Yeah, yeah, God is great. Yeah, yeah, God is good. Yeah, 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 yeah. What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us. Just a stranger on a bus, trying to make his way home. If God had a face, what would it look like, and would you wanna see? If seeing meant that you would have to believe in things like heaven and the Jesus and the saints and all the prophets. And yeah, yeah, God is great. Yeah, yeah, God is good. Yeah, 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 yeah. What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus, try to make his way home. Just try to make his way home. Like a holy rolling stone, back up to heaven all alone. Just trying to make his way home. Nobody calling on the phone, except for the Pope, maybe in Rome.
Every day, people go about their daily lives unaware their data is harvested and used to track them. But now, they have a choice.
Who are you?
Because with iPhone, privacy is built in.
Wow, Apple. Best Picture.
So amazing, right?
Yeah. I was in 2 Best Picture nominees last year.
Yeah, no, I knew that. You were great.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
Jennifer Lawrence. Selena Gomez documentary. Why don't I have a documentary? Best comedy.
After some time, I finally made up my mind. She is the girl, and I need to make her mine. I'm searching everywhere to find her again. Oh, 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 to tell her I love her, and I'm sorry about the things I've done. I'm standing in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't search. She looks so happy in her wedding dress, but she's crying while she's saying this. I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Oh, you travel so far. Oh, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Against the wind, I'm going home again, wishing me back to the time when we were more than friends. Just then I see in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't search. She looks so happy in her wedding dress, but she cried while she was saying this. I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Oh, you travel so far. Oh, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Oh, you travel so far. Oh, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. I miss your kisses
wherever today takes you, whatever tomorrow demands of you, you'll be prepared. Because for more than half a century, Walden University has been preparing for you.
I'm Tay Diggs.
QVIVIC, daridorexant, is a prescription medicine for adults who have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, insomnia. Do not take if you fall asleep often at unexpected times, narcolepsy.
As an actor, it's hard for me to be on when I'm tired. Because if I'm not 100%, the
Whoa, yeah. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali. Natatakot lang ako na baka'y mahuli. Ayoko magsisi na hindi ko nasabi, habang ang puso mo ay wala pang may-ari. Oo, nais ko mabuksan pinto ng iyong puso. Para sa'yo ay gagawin ang lahat, makamit lamang ang pag-ibig mo. Kung ika'y aking, dito ka sa aking tabi. Nais kong mayakap ka bawat araw at gabi. Aaminin ko na rin na ako'y may pagtingin. Huwag ka sanang mainis kung masyadong mabilis. Wala naman akong masamang intensyon sa'yo. Nais ko lang naman ay konting atensyon mo. At ang tanging hangad ko lang ay iyong kaligayahan na hindi magbabago magpakailanman. Oo, nais kong mabuksan pinto ng iyong puso. Para sa iyo ay gagawin ang lahat, makamit lamang ang pag-ibig mo. Kung ika'y aking, dito ka sa aking tabi. Nais kong mayakap ka bawat araw at gabi. Aaminin ko na rin na ako'y may pagtingin. Huwag ka sanang mainis kung masyadong mabilis. Well, now, this is what is on my mind. I'm never gonna make you cry. Promise you got iiwan habang buhay. How I love you day and night. I just wanna make you mine. This is for real, no lie, until I die. Kung ika'y aking, dito ka sa aking tabi. Nais kong mayakap ka bawat araw at gabi. Aaminin ko na rin na ako'y may pagtingin. Huwag ka sanang mainis kung masyadong mabilis. Kung ika'y aking, dito ka sa aking tabi. Nais kong mayakap ka bawat araw at gabi. Aaminin ko na rin na ako'y may pagtingin. Huwag ka sanang mainis kung masyadong mabilis.
Times are late under the moon, and I thank God I'm breathing. And I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more war, and our children will play one day, one day, one day. my tears I drown. But I never let it get me down. So when negativity is around, I know someday it'll all turn around because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say that we don't want to fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. One day is how we change, should be back the same. Stop with the violence, down with the hate. One day we'll all be free and proud to be under the same sun. Singing songs of freedom. Why yo, why yo, why yo, why yo. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more war, and our children will play one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say.
Isip mo'y unti-unting nawawala, nalilito. Ang tulad mo ay parang usok, unti-unting naglalaho. Tanging hiling ko lang sa'yo, nakaraan ay tanggapin, at ang ngayon ay harapin. Ang bukas mo'y darating pa, kaya't huwag sanang damdamin, pagkat ito'y payo lamang mula sa akin, kaibigan, na sa iyo'y nagmamahal. Huwag mong sayangin ang panahon, pagkat ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan kasama ng iyong puso. Tinangay na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip, kaya't bigyan mo ng puwang ang puso mong nalulumbay. Damdamin, pagkat ito'y payo lamang mula sa akin, kaibigan, na sa iyo'y nagmamahal. Huwag mong sayangin ang panahon, pagkat ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan kasama ng iyong puso. Tinangay na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip, kaya't bigyan mo ng buwang ang puso mong nalulumbay. Ang isip ko'y unti-unting nawawala, nalilito. Ang tulad mo ay parang usok, unti-unting naglalaho. So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment, I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got a lot to give. But we're young, dumb, young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke, high school kid. Yeah, da, 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 da. Yeah, da, 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 da. Yeah, da, 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 da. Young, dumb, broke, high school kid. We had so much in common. We argue all the time. You always say I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm right. What's fun about commitment? Well, we all have life to live. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got a lot to give. But we're young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school kids. Yeah, da, 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 da. Yeah, da, 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 da. Yeah, da, 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 da. Young, dumb, broke high school kid. So, let me think, let me all with the game of love. Let me sing to it all in the name of God. Whoa, I'm so high at the moment. I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke. We still got love to give. But we're young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke, high school kid. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke, high school kid. Yeah, da, 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 da. Yeah, da, 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 da. Yeah, da, 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 da. Young, dumb, broke, high school kid. Yeah, da, 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 da. Yeah, da, 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 da. Yeah, da, 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 da. Young, dumb, broke, high school kid. Know this is gonna happen with one look and a smile. You gave my life a meaning. On the island we shared some loving. By the sea we embrace such a wonderful feeling. Saying, girl, I wanna love ya. It's far from enough to me. You're the one I've waited and I prayed for. I know you're my destiny. One love, one love, one love, one love. Listen to the sound of the ocean. All of the negative vibes were gone. You and I will touch the sky with the love that we have to keep us so high under the sun. The feelings are one.
Ayan, 5 million in the house. Mega love shoutout. Ayan po, ayan, ayan. Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga nandyan, guys. Ito, ang iyong kaibigan. Biag Hawaii. Nag-sound trip ako dito, kapatid. Maraming salamat, kapatid, sa iyong pag-sound trip dyan. At tayo kanta-kanta na. Pwede na kayong mag-request ng kanta, basta kaya po nating kantahin. Okay lang, kapatid. Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyong pagtambay dyan. Ayan, at tayo magbaba. Ayan, pinanood ko kanina yung mga short video mo, kapatid, habang ako'y nag-exercise. Nag-exercise kasi tayo kasi kailangan sa health natin. No? Ayan, mga katropa natin dyan, maraming salamat. At huwag kalimutan po, meron po tayong premiere mamaya 4:30. 10:30 Pinas time, guys, yung premiere po natin. Ayan, kapatid, nandito ako sa mo. Sige, mag-play po tayo ng mga short mo, kapatid. Nandito po ako, kapatid. Nandito yung mga short mo, kapatid. Shine, mega love shoutout ho, sabi ni Shine. Ayan, thank you so much, Shine, for coming. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan po. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan, kapatid, nandito naman ako sa car key. Yung car key mo. 7 million in the house. Ayan. Sige po, pwede po tayong guys, magbaba ng bahay dyan. Ayan. Siguro, sasakyan mo na to, no? So, sinang yung sasakyan to, kapatid, ano? Ayan po. Ayan, maraming salamat, guys. Ayan, dito ulit po tayo sa ating bahay. Ayan. Abangan po ang ating mga susunod na upload video, guys. Ayan. Ano pwede natin kantahin ngayon? Ha? Wala na tayong step. Ayan. Sana. Ayun. Okay. Ayan. 6 million in the house. Mega love shoutout. Ano pwede natin kantahin dyan, mga kapatid? Sa mga pwedeng mag-request dyan. Sige. Tara at kanta po tayo. Ano pwede natin kantahin? Yung susunod nating cover song, guys, pwede natin kantahin ngayon. Yung premiere po natin na bukas. Ano natin, no? Try ko nga kantahin to. Parang nalulubat na. Lubat na ba? Eto nga, matagal ko nang di kinanta to. Isa. Bakit wala yung extend ko dito? Saan kaya napunta? Yung mga nandyan, guys, pwede po tayong maglablaban sa mga hindi pa nakadikit po sa ating bahay. Pwede po tayong magipagdikitan dyan. Huwag kayong mahiya kasi ito lang po ang libre. Ayan. Start natin po, guys. Ayan. Para sa inyo, ang una po nating kanta. There's a lover's moon tonight. As I look back over my shoulder, all the stars are shining bright, just like the night when I used to hold her. She's out there somewhere under the lover's moon. Kapatid, nandito ako sa bahay mo, Persephone. Ayan, napiplay po siya. Lover's moon, won't you shine on me? I'm dancing with a memory. I wish I may, I wish I might and one last chance to hold her tight, waiting. I know she waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. My channel Kadamag, thank you so much. Hindi, thank you so much. Yay, kanina ko lang dyan, kapatid. Sige, sige. Meron pa po tayong isang oras. Kantahan na. Ayan, sa lahat po ng hindi pa naka-follow sa aking FB page, pag-follow na lang po, Ismail Lover. There's a lover's moon tonight, shining down on half of this world. So many souls are in his life, but for me there is just one girl, and she's waiting. I know she waiting. Lourdes, make a shout out. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. Sige, baba lang po tayo ng bahay dyan, guys. Lover's moon. Salamat, salamat kapatid. Ayan. Ismail Lover din kapatid. Ismail Lover. Ayan. Ayan, maraming salamat guys. Kung sino po ang merong FB page dyan, pwede po kayong magbaba ng FB page dito at tayo ipapalok po kayo. Ayan. Ipalok po kayo sa kwet. Di ba? Ayan, maraming salamat. Thumbs up ho sa iyo from Nanay. Ayan, Lourdes. Ano was? Ayan. Cookie Anesta. Ayan, ads po. Ads pa. Ayan, okay. Thank you so much sa ads dyan. Ayan, marami. Ayan, you can request a song guys kung kaya na po natin kantahin. Sige, kantahin po natin. Ayan po. Ayan, maraming salamat guys. Ayan, malapit na po tayo. May channel Kadungog ha. Ayan, sino pa yung mababa ng bahay at tayo mag-ads at pa-play po hanggang tayo makain. Ayan, Kukiana. Ayan, sige Kukiana. Maraming salamat sa pagbaba ng iyong mga kaibigan dito. Ayan, but be sure that mag-follow back din ay magdikit din sila. Mag-iwan lang ng bakas. Ayan, Cookie, maraming salamat. Sige. Beatles, sabi mo no, may channel ka daw. Anong kantang Beatles yun? Di ko alam kung di mo sabihin yung title Beatles song. It might be you, kapatid. Ang hirap nga kaya yun. Ringan natin. It might be you. Sige. Pag di ko kaya, i-play ko na lang Kukiya na si Wait, kapatid. It might be. Ayan. Sige, tingnan natin. Karaoke ba ito? Okay, try natin Babaan lang na natin. Ano? $5 million in the house. Mega love shoutout. Ayan, maraming salamat guys sa mga nandyan. Para sa inyo po itong lahat. time. I'll be passing time, watching trains go by. All my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly, wishing there would be someone waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. All of my life, taking back as lovers going past. All of my life, wondering how they met and what made it last. If I found a place, would I recognize the place? Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. So many quiet walks away, so many dreams away. There ain't so much left to wait. I think we're gonna need some time, maybe all we need is time. And it's telling me it might be you all of my life. Practice lang po. Pwede na po natin i-cover some to guys next time. Practice lang. Hindi mo na alam dito. There's so much more. No one's ever heard before. Sensya na po. First time kong patahin guys ha. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. Any feeling will just be you. All of my life, it's you, it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. It's you, it's you, it's you. It's you, it's you. Maraming salamat. Ikaw pinapahirapan mo ako may channel ka tugong Ayan, maraming salamat guys. Ayan po. Ang sarap. Sarap ka din. Practice lang yun guys. Pwede na. Ano pa? Mga Beatles yan. Try ko ang kantay.
Download the Domino's app today.
Walang ko-contra. Yay! Okay lang yun, kabatid. Ayan, maraming salamat dyan sa mga nandyan. Yan, sa mga hindi pa po, so kung sino po mayroon na FB page guys, pwede po tayong mag-follow F2F. Meron po tayong FB page. Natin to guys practice. Walang iyak. Many times I wish you were here to know well the shadows of my dreams. Many times I wish you were near. To the darkest hour it came, but it seems that you never said what I needed to me. Just tell me you love me. Whisper words I you long to hear. Bless this time not be wrong. Let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, it will lead the way to your heart, to the nearness of silence. You love me. Ma'am AJ, make a love shout out. Ayan, thank you so much for coming. Write me a playlist for the memory born of our first kiss. Patiently, I'll wait for the moment you will take me to a world that I never seen that girl before. Just tell me you love me. Whisper words I so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed. Let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, it will lead the way to your heart, to the nearness of silence. You love me. And thank you so much, Shine. My channel ka to mo. Wow. Ayan, maraming salamat guys. 7 million in the house. Sige, magbaba po tayo ng bahay.
I'm making this.
Ayan po. Ayan. Ang sarap kumanta guys, no? Sige lang po, magbaba po tayo ng bahay dyan. Mga hindi pa po nakapalapalap po sa atin. Ayan. Para po makapagbigay din po ako ng isang view. Pag di pa dikit yung gagamitin ko pang view sa inyo, ididikit ko po sa inyo guys. Ayan, maraming salamat Shine sa inyong pag-stay dyan. Ayan, my channel Kadungog. Ma'am AJ, thank you so much for coming. Ayan po. Sige, baba po tayo ng bahay, guys. Ayan. Maglablaban po tayo, ha? Tingnan ko natin ang bahay ni Ma'am AJ. Ayan. Baka may itikit ko sa inyo. Ma'am AJ, sige, didikit ko po sa ito, ha? Ayan. Manunod po tayo ng below 5 minutes na video mo. Sige lang po. Punta po tayo sa videos. Bago po natin itikit, Ito, may 6 minutes ka dito, Ma'am AJ. Yung Bebop Beat Senior. Ito, Ma'am AJ, ito. Nandito ako, Ma'am AJ, ha? Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan, Marian Chris M. Team May Mayers. Ayan, mega love shoutout po. May Myers Family Vlog. Ayan po ang mga kaibigan po natin galing sa kay Ma'am Mayers Family Vlog. May Myers Family Vlog. Marian, mega love shoutout, Marian. Ayan po. Ayan, nandito na sila, guys. Ayan. Mario de Guzman, ayan, may jacket na. Aisa, ayan. Maraming salamat, guys. Naka-live ba si Sis May? Ayan. Maraming salamat, guys, sa iyong pag-support po sa ating channel. Ayan. Huwag kalimutan po, mayroon po tayong premiere mamaya. Ipipin ko nga yung premiere po natin. Sayang yun, guys. Pakilablab naman po ang ating premiere, ha, guys? Ayan po. Ayan. Pwede po tayo mag-request ng another song, guys. Para naman po makapag-ano po tayo. Wala na, saan na yung premiere ko? Wala na. Naubos na. Ito yun. Yan o. Hello, guys. Hello. Ayan. Ma'am AJ, thank you so much. Ayan.
Pwede po tayo mag-request ng kanta, guys. Kung kaya po natin kantahin, pwede po natin kantahin. Ayan. Ano? Guys, ayan po ang ating premiere mamaya, 4:30. In 15 minutes, guys, mag-start na po ang ating premiere. Sana po makapag times of your life, kapatid. Di ko alam yan. Times, ano ba binire-request mo, kapatid? Di ko alam. Di ko alam talaga. Times of your life. Ano yon? Times? Times 2. Ito. Tagalog
I'm
tayo.
making this Valentine's Day for everyone.
Di ko alam yun. Times of your life. May J, may ididikit ako sa iyo isa. Ha? Hindi na lang ako magbakas. I-full watch ko pa. Okay. Ayan, ganahin po natin. Dito pa ako, Ma'am AJ, oh, nakapanood ako. Welcome. Tagalog po tayo, Tagalog. So much, my wala ka, wala na rin ako. Ayan, maraming salamat guys. Ayan. Kapag nawala ka, wala na rin ako. Isipin mo yan ha. Ayun, agoy-agoy may hugot. Diba?
Ay nako, may hugot si Biag Hawaii. Ayan po. Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga nandyan. Ma'am AJ, thank you so much ha sa iyong pag-stay dyan. Ayan. Ayan mo. Ayan o, Ma'am AJ, malapit na po. Malapit na. Ay, meron pa. Ayan. Dialoves Official! Mega love shoutout, Dialoves Official. Akyat sana ako sa inyong live kanina, Dialoves Official, pero alam mo na, nag-workout muna. Workout. Tapos pa-music. Ayan, maraming salamat ha. Guys, tikitan po ang ating member na si Dialoves Official. Wala na kanina kasi si Dialoves. At dahil dyan sa inyong pag-renew ng ating member, Dialoves Official, maraming salamat. At ito ay para sa iyo. Alright, thank you so much sa pag-renew, Dialoves Official. Ayan, hi Ancho TV, mega love shoutout. Ayan, sabi po ni, Ayan, bakit di po kayo umakyat? Nahiya akong gagaling yung kumanta, diba? Oo, ang gagaling yung kumanta. Nag-workout po ako. Nahiya po ako, yung gagaling nyo dun eh. Lalo na si Isay, yung galing kumanda ni Isay. Diba? Ayan, maraming salamat guys sa iyong pag-stay po dyan. Anjo TV, ayan, maraming salamat. Dialoves Official ang ating nag-renew po ng ating membership. Maraming salamat. Ayan po, ayan. Pwede po tayo mag-request ng kanta bago po tayo. In 10 minutes guys, mag-start na po ang ating premiere. Sana po pakisupport naman po ang ating premiere. Ayan po. Ayan. Ang sarap kumanta guys. Ito, kantayin natin ito. Ayan, 9 million in the house. Maraming salamat sa mga nandyan. Ayan, ito po. Para sa inyong lahat, guys.
Ayan. Para sa inyong lahat, ayan, maraming salamat sa pag-stay dyan. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear to everything there is, can't imagine anything well less, can't imagine anything the two of us can do. To the years you never let me down, you learned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. To the years I never been afraid, I love the love we made. I am so glad I stay right here with you to the years. Thank you, my channel Katungok, Ma'am AJ. Thank you. Ayan, full watch na po sa'yo, Ma'am AJ. I can remember when I was used to do, who I trusted more, I listened to before. I swear it taught me everything I know. Can't imagine hearing someone's song, but through the years to me, I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the I'll stay with you to the years when everything went wrong. Together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years I never ever down. We've always worked things out. I've learned what's life about while loving you to the
Ayan na yan po. Ang galing po ni Biag ni Hawaii. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Ayan, sa mga nandyan, guys.
to the years you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. To the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you till the Ayan, maraming salamat guys. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating live stream. Ayan, in 5 minutes guys, mag-start na po ang ating premiere. Sana po, supportan niyo po ang ating premiere. Yung nakapin po ang ating premiere guys, ayan po. Ayan, maraming salamat to the years. Ayan, ang sarap kumanta guys. Hi! Ito po.
Ayan, ikaw munang mag-host ha, ganyan. Ayan po, magpingin po natin ang boses ni Biag ni Hawaii guys ha. Ayan po, maraming salamat. At malapit na po anong tawag nito? Ano yan? Yung premiere po ni Biag ni Hawaii guys, malapit na po. Ayan po, maraming salamat. Ayan. Ma'am AJ, maraming salamat sa iyong pagbisita ha. Sige. Ayan, mag-change account po tayo para makapagdikit po sa inyong lahat guys ha. Yung mga nandyan, pwede po tayong magdikit, may oras pa tayo. Ayan. Wala kasi tayong relievo. Ayan. Ayan, yung mga nandyan guys. Ma'am AJ, ayan, ididikit ko pa ito sa'yo ha. Ayan ha. Yung short video na lang panoorin natin na kasi malapit na pa ang ating premiere. Asan ba? Ito. Ayan, ito, Ma'am AJ, ito. Beautiful white lamp shorts. Ayan Ma'am AJ, ayan. Ayan, tapos isang dikit sa'yo, ha? Ayan, maraming salamat at kay Dai Loves, thank you so much. Ayan, try ko to, Dai Loves, kung ayan, full. Try natin kay Dai Loves. Ayan, siguradong didikit kay Dai Loves to. Ayan, Dai Loves official. Ayan, dito, mayroon din ako yung didikit sa isa, ha? Dai Loves official. Ayan dito ako sa shorts video mo. Ayan, in 3 minutes guys, mag-start na po ang ating premiere. Ayan, yung premiere ni Biag ni Hawaii. Ayan, maraming salamat guys. Ayan po. Sige, full watch. Full kalimba. Ayan, notification on. Okay. At tayo po ay pupunta na po sa ating premiere. Ayan po. Ayan po. Maraming salamat. Ayan. Ayan, panoorin po natin ating premiere guys ha. Sana all. Ayan po. Yung premiere po natin guys. Ayan po. In 2 minutes guys, mag-start na po ang ating premiere ha. Ayan. Maraming salamat guys sa iyo. Ayan, 6 million in the house. Ayan, Ma'am AJ, maraming salamat Ayan. Dikit-dikit lang po tayo guys ha. Dikit-dikit lang po. La 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 la. Ala ni. Ako kasta ni. Ayan. Ayan po. Daitan ni. Hintay 60 seconds guys, mag-start na po ang ating premiere ha. Ayan, maraming salamat guys. So, dati ito yan. Ayan. Mga nandyan guys, ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan po. Ayan po, ayan. Ayan, Ma'am AJ, ayan, may channel ka dungog. Ayan, meron po tayong premiere. Ayan. Ayan, start na ba ang premiere po natin? Yung nakapin guys, yung nakapin. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan po, mag-start na ba ang premiere po natin guys? Please support yung nakapin. Ayan. Ayan, mag-start na po tayo. Ang nakapin. Mag-start na po yung nakapin guys. Ayan. Shine, thank you so much, Shine. Ayan. Mag-start na po ang ating premiere. Ayan.
Start na po ang ating premiere, Shine. Ayan, maraming salamat. Yung mga yan nandyan pa. Ayan, mag-start na po ang ating premiere, guys. Ayan, mag-start na po yun. Ayan, mag-start na po guys. And in my dreams I kiss your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can feel in your eyes, I can feel in your smile. You're all I ever wanted, and my arms are open wide. 'Cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I want to tell you so much. I love I long to see the sunlight in your hand and tell you time and time again how much I gave. Sometimes I feel my heart will overflow. Hello, I just got to let you know, 'cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't done it, but let me start to say I love Hello, is it me you're looking for? 'Cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do.
Kaya po meron
Are
po
you
po tayong prayer guys.
lonely,
Nakapin po.
or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't done it, but let me start to say I love you. Ayan, tapos na po ang ating premiere. Maraming salamat guys. Ayan. Sa mga nandyan. Thank you so much guys sa pag-support po sa ating premiere. Ayan. Ayan, maraming salamat everyone. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan po. Po tayo. Balik po tayo sa ating live. Sige, naka-live po tayo guys. Ayan, thank you so much guys sa inyong support. Ayan. Thank you everyone. Ayan po. Ma'am AJ, thank you so much. Thank you po. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong support po sa ating Ayan. Bukas ulit po, meron pa po ulit tayong premiere pero ayan. I-upload ko pa po mamaya. para sa ating premiere bukas. Sana yung kanta bukas is nakakatawa. Para sa akin, nakakatawa po guys. Pero di ko lang sa inyo kung nakakatawa din sa inyo. Ayan. Parang ano no. Ayan. Thank you so much, Shena, sa iyong pakulay sa buhay. My channel Kadungog, thank you so much sis sa iyong support sa ating channel. Ayan. Maraming salamat guys. Meron pa po tayong 20 minutes guys para po maglablaban, makipagtikitan. Ayan. At anong tawag nito? Ayan. Meron pa po tayong 20 minutes bago tayo pumunta ulit sa work, trabaho. Ayan. Maraming salamat everyone. So, kanta ulit guys. Habang nandito pa tayo, habang okay pa ang oras, sige, huwag nating sayangin ang oras o minuto. Ayan. Pwede po tayong mag-request ng isang kanta para po Ayan. 4 million in the house, make a love shout out. Ayan. Wait, meron po tayong gagawin. Ayan. Billie Jeans. Anong Billie Jeans? Hindi ko alam yun na Billie Jeans. Ma'am AJ, ano yung Billie Jeans? Ayan, I would like to thank Shine. Saan na yung cursor ko? Dahil sa iyong palipad, Shine, ito para sa inyo, Shine! Ayan, thank you so much guys. Sige, kanta ulit po tayo. Hindi to yung parang ano na to? Na. Ito. Ito siguro. Para sa inyo guys. Lavender, ayan, mag-love shoutout Lavender. Ayan. Para sa inyong lahat guys. I-start po natin. Para sa inyo guys. Ayan, si Lavender. Thank you so much for staying, Lavender. Ayan. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Aloha na yung bang oras mo, kapsat. Kasabi ka, Lavender. Para ka tayo aming dadaya mo. Kumusta na yung pag-ibig? Kasabay sa krisis ng panahon. Bumababa ang halaga ng piso. Thank you, kapsan. Di kaya sumabay ang pag-ibig mo. Dati-dati, madalas mo akong tawagan. Madalas mo akong i-text kahit saan. Ngayon hindi na. Alam mo, miss na miss kita. Lagi kitang kinokontak, ngunit lubat na ba ang pag-ibig mo? Nakalot pa ba ako sa isip mo? May po si Kapsat Lavender. Ayan, tingnan po, go to channel. Ang boses mo'y ibig ko marinig. Please tumawag ka kung may load ka. Alam mo bang mahal na mahal kita? Mawala lang ang cellphone ko, wag lang ikaw sinta. Dati-dati, madalas mo akong tuwagan, madalas mo akong i-text kahit saan. Lavender, may itikit ako sa'yo. Ngayon'y hindi na. Alam mo, miss na miss kita. Lagi kitang kinokontak, ngunit lubat na ba? Pag-ibig ko, nakalon pa ba? Ako sa isip mo, may signal pa ba? Ako sa puso mo. Hello, my love, kumusta ka? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lumat na ba? Pag-ibig mo, nakalot pa ba? Ako sa isip mo, may signal pa ba? Ako sa puso mo. Hello, my love, kumusta ka? Lubat na ba? Pag-ibig mo, nakalot pa ba? Ako sa isip mo, may signal pa ba? Ako sa puso mo. Hello, my love, kumusta ka? Hello, my love, kumusta ka? Ayan po, ayan. Maraming salamat. Ayan, may channel Kadungog Lavender. Ayan. Ancho TV, thank you so much guys. Ayan, maraming salamat. So, anong oras na po? Oh, may isa pang kanta tapos mag-insomnia na po tayo. Ang sarap kumanta talaga guys, no? Oh. Meron po tayong ipra-practice na kanta guys. Wag kayong tatawa dito pag marinig nyo. My channel Kadungog, thank you so much. Lavender, may titikit pa ako sa kayo. Nag-watch pa ako sa iyo. Naka-watch ako, my channel ay Lavender, ya. Ito po, Lavender, oh, ito. Para sa inyong lahat, guys. Walang tatawa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Ayan na yan po ang 100 song. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan po ang lyrics po natin ng That Wonderful Song. Ayan po. May channel ka dungog. Thank you, Ma'am AJ. Thank you so much, ha. Ayan. Ayan, si Ma'am. Lavender Sojourney. Ayan. Dikit ulit ako sa iyo. Full watch yo. May lavender. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. So, 52 na po. Sige. Magpapaalam na po tayo. Maraming salamat. Magpatugtog na lang po tayo ng para sa ating CPR para hindi po tayo ma-CPR para ma-mute po ang ating mga CPR na kanta. Ayan po ang technique ng ating guys. Ayan, thank you so much guys sa iyong mga support dyan. May channel ka dungog. Ma'am AJ, thank you so much. Ayan po, sana po. Naka-full kalimbag ka naman sa akin kung meron po. Pupunta po ako sa inyong mga... Ayan po guys, maraming salamat sa ating mga ay
Basta huwag mong lampasan. Ayan, matapos na. Basta huwag mong lampasan ng 5 hours ang live stream mo. I-play mo na yan. Pwede mo naman i-continue. Pero pag 2 to 3 hours, i-play mo yan after your live stream. Yan. At tapos kinabukasan, yan na lang i-mute ko. Pero may minsan mga ineligible na play ko, mga 2-3 lang yung i-mute ko, di mas kunti lang yung i-mute ko. Kagaya dati noon, pag kumakanta ako, makakanta ako ng 10 puro CPR. Ang hirap mag-mute, di ba? Ayan lang. Ayan. Welcome Ayan. Sana po bukas ulit. Di ko lang alam kung maka-live stream po ako bukas, guys. Ayan, baka mag-music live stream na lang po ako kasi mas maaga ako pumunta sa work bukas. Ayan. Maraming salamat, guys. Thank you so much sa iyong support sa ating channel. Thank you so much sa ating super chat Shine, super chatter na si Shine at yung nag-member po. Dialogues Official, yung nag-renew ng ating member. Sa lahat po ng bumisita, nag-BGBG sa ating channel, thank you so much everyone. Sana po hindi po kayo maumay sa ating live stream. Next week ulit siguro, o kung gusto nyo pwede po tayong mag-music live stream po tayo, pwede po tayong mag-request ng kanta. I-play po natin dito sa ating live stream yung mga kanta na gusto nyo. Yan, Dialogues Official, thank you so much, guys. Ma'am AJ, thank you so much. Ayan. See you in your live stream again, Dialogues Official. Ayan, and see you guys. Bye everyone. Bye Bush. Bye Bush. Asan na yung ano ko? Ayan, nawala na yung malit na po ako sa trabaho. Okay guys, thank you so much. Yung mga kasama ko pa sa trabaho, naka-view na sila minsan dito. Thank you guys ha. Bye everyone. See you.